Hello everyone. The point of sale mandatory question app allows the user to ask questions to the customer before adding an item to the point of sale cart. Now let's complete the point of sale configuration. So for that, let me get into the settings. Under point of sale, user needs to enable allow to ask question, which is available here. We need to enable this option. So after enabling this, let me get into the point of sale to create n questions. So we can create an question, which is under the configuration we can see an option named question as well as the question group. So let me get into the question group first. From here, user can create a multiple question group by using the new option which is available here. So let me get into the one which I have already created. So from here we can give a mandatory question group, and under that we can give a mandatory questions as well. Okay. Like the same way, if we get into the question, you can see all the questions right away here. Now, after created the questions, we need to apply those questions in the product. So for that, we need to get into the products. Let me get into one of the product. Under the sales tab, we can see an option named mandatory question group. There we can add the group which we have already created. Once this will be done, let me get into the point of sale and open the new session. Now we are in the point of sale screen. Now let's select the product. From here, user can see the groups will be shown. When we get into the group, you can see the questions that we have added will be here. So if I click on that OK option which is available here, user can see an eye icon which help us to edit whenever we need. Okay, like the same way, let me enable another one. Okay, so once this will be done, let's process the payment. Okay, let's validate it. In the point of sale receipt, customer can see all the questions that we have added in each product. Like the same way, we can see the same questions in the order form. So let me get into the backend. Now in the backend, let me get into an order. So let me get into the order which we have created now. So from here, user can see all the extra comments which we have added in the point of sale will be seen in the order backend. So in this way, we can make use of this module to create and mandatory questions in the point of sale. Thank you for watching.